Namaste students. Students, in last class, so we can learn multiplication of money and also statement sums. So today, division of money. So we can discuss. So division of money, how to divide the money. So let me take some examples. Look at the board. Divide. So divide 792 rupees 84 paisa divided by 4. Second one example 854 rupees 63 paisa divided by 7. So okay. So you know the long division method in the division chapter. So we can use to long division using the long division method. So we can find the quotient. So how to divide the numbers? So here four parts are there. First one is dividend, next divisor, next quotient. Quotient is the answer of division. Remainder, after completing the division process, one number is left. That number is called remainder. Okay. So we can using the divide and divisor, and the divisor is the what number, so we can write the tables. So we can using the long division method, we can find out the dividend. So let me go for divide the number. Okay, first we arrange the long division method 792 rupees 84 paisa 4. Divisor is 4. Now write the tables of 4 all. 4 1 the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 7 the 28, 4 8 the 32, 4 9 the 36, 4 10 the 40. So now write the tables all. Now after the tables, now divisor has to be compared to the dividend. So if it is one, the first number is smaller, dividend first number is smaller. So one digit number divisor is there, one digit also dividend we can take it. So if it is smaller, we can take the two digit number. If it is same, we can take the one digit number. If it is greater than, so we can take the one digit number. So okay. So here 4 is less than 7. So 7 is greater. So we can use into 4 1 the 4. 7 nearest number, 4 1 the 4. 8 is bigger. So I will take to 4 1 the 4. 7 less 4, 3. Now taken 9. 39. Okay, 4 table 39 nearest number. 4 8 4 7 the 28. 4 8 the 32. 4 9 the 36. 4 10 the 40. 40 is bigger. So we can take to 36. 4 9 the 36. Now 9 less 6, 3. Then 3 less 3, 0. Next 2. What is the number? 32. 4 table 32 is there? Yes. How much is 32? 4 8 the 32. 0. 0. Next again number is 8. One number we can take to downside. Okay. Now, so 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. Next 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 1 the 4. So we can take the using the table and find out the answer. So we can, that is get, we get the answer is. So now Guruji, how to here put the point is, but here only number is there. So how to put the point? So now here two numbers are left in the point, same number counted in the quotient 1 and 2. So put the point 198 rupees 21 paisa. The quotient is, answer is what? 192 rupees 192 rupees 21 paisa. That is the answer. I hope all of you understand. So okay, so we can using the long division method find out the find out the quotient. So this is the answer. Remainder is 0. Okay, so no remainder will come. So it is considered for 0. So now, shall I go for next one example? Yes. So we can go for the next one example. 854 rupees 63 paisa by 7. By 7. Now, which is the dividend here? The biggest number is dividend taken to the, so we can arrange it into long division method. So divisor is 7. It is the smallest number. So 854 54.63. So after completing the division, so we can count the dividend. So how many numbers are left in the point, and also put the point in the quotient also. Count the how many numbers are left in the dividend compared to the quotient. So same ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So we can divide the division will be, so we can take the tables. ನೀವು tables ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆ ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿದೋಗುತ್ತೆ division ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So now 7 is divisor. We should write the tables of 7. 7 to the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 for the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, 7 8 the 56, 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70. Okay, so we write the tables of 7. Now we can divide the number. So compared to the divisor and dividend, first number, so we can 8 is 8. Okay, so 7 is greater than 8. So now we can write the answer. Okay, now we can compare one dividend this number, we can take it. So 7 table, 8 nearest number, 7 to the 14 is bigger, 7 and the 7 we can take 7 and the 7. Now 8 less 7, 1, 5, 15. So now it is 15. Now take the 7 table, 15 nearest number, 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21 is bigger, so we can take to 7 to the 14. So now 5 less 4, 1, 1 less 1, 0. Next 4 again. So what is the number? 14. 14 is there 7 table? Yes. How much is 14? 7 to the 14. Here number 7 to the 14. Next 0, 0. Next 6. Okay. When the 6 is there. Guruji 7 table 6 is not there. So what we taken? 7 the 7 is greater. So which number is we can take it? So we can take 7 0 the 0. We can multiply any number to 0. So we get answer is 0. So now multiply 7 0 the 0 because no number is there. So we cannot take to downside 3 2 numbers. First we can take to first number and again next number. Okay. Now let me divide the number. 7 0 the 0. Now 6. Next again number 3. What is the number? 63. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಎರಡೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಮೂರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 7 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 0. ಓಕೆ, 0 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 6 0, we get 6. Afterwards we can take to 3. Okay, ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿವಿಸರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವಾಗ we can take to 0. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋ 7, so 7 table 63, yes, 7 9 the 63, yes, answer is 0. So now put the point. How to? So count it. Here two numbers are left in the point. Same count in the quotient 1 and 2. Put the point. 122.09. Quotient is what? 122 rupees 09 paisa. 122.09. So this is the division concept. Okay, it is very easy. So ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ so we can arrange it into the long division method. 1 by 1 by 1 1 by 1 we can finish it. We get the quotient. This is the division of money. Okay, so now I will solve same in the division problems. Shall I go for the statement sums? So two examples here. So some two examples in the division process. Okay, now I will go for statement sums. Okay students, now look at the book, blackboard board. Exercise 8H. Exercise 8H. Third one question, I think. No, it is fourth one question. Okay, so one or two problems I have to solve. Remaining questions you have to solve in the HW. Okay, so Guruji, what type of questions, what type of given questions in the division? So okay, we can find out here one cost of the object, one cost of the object, one cost of the item. So we can find it here in the division. Okay, so multiplication one to many concept. So it is reverse process. So here many items has given, so we can find out the one cost of the item. Okay, so now look at the board. So the price of two tables, the price of two tables is 366 rupees 66 paisa. 366 rupees 66 paisa. Find the cost of one table. So I'm already told one cost of the item we can find out. So here two tables cost is 366 rupees 66 paisa. Find the cost of one table. Find the cost of one table. So we can using the division. Okay, let me using to the long division method. So which is a divisor, which is a dividend here? So the total cost of the two tables, that is dividend 366 rupees 66 paisa, it is dividend. Which is divisor? How many tables we have by two tables, that is a divisor. Keep in mind, ಎಷ್ಟು items ಇರ್ತವೋ ಅದು divisor. So total amount ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, that is called as dividend. Keep in mind. Okay, so now we can use the long division method. Let me find out the answer. Okay, the cost of two tables, the number of tables is the number of tables, how many? Two. Cost, the total cost is the total cost is the total cost is 366 rupees 66 paisa. Okay, let me find out one cost of the table. So now we can using the division method. 366 rupees 66 paisa divided by 2. Using the division, so we can arrange it into the long division method. 2 is the divisor, divided is 366 rupees 66 paisa. Now using the, write the table of 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16, 2 9 the 18, 2 10 the 20. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, we can get the tables. Now first, so 2 first digit number 3 is there. Yes, 2 is greater than 3. Okay, so we can take the one digit number. 2 table, 3 nearest number, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4 is bigger, so we can take 2, 2 1 the 2. Now subtract it, we get 1, it is 16. So 2 table 16 is there. Yes, 2 how much 16? 2 8 the 16. Now 0. Now again 6. So 2 table 6 is there. Yes, how much the 6? 2 3 the 6. Next is 0. Next again 6. So 2 table 6. Yes, 2 3 the 6. 2 3 the 6. Now let me 0. Next 6. 2 3 the 6. Yes, we get the answer. So what is remainder? Remainder is 0. Now put the point. How many numbers are left in the point? 1 2. So quotient also counted 1 2. 183 rupees 33 paisa. One cost of the table. The cost of one table. So we should write the cost of one table is, what is the cost of one table? So 183 rupees. How much? 33 paisa. Yes. Okay, this is the answer. So we can use to, first what we do, the total amount is, we can write into divide and place. How many numbers of objects? So we can write into, what is that? So that is divisor. Okay, that type. So we can arrange the division. Okay, so now, so I hope all of you understand this concept. First question. So shall I go for next one question? Yes, I will take to next one question. Okay, now it is second one question. Okay, I have kept 246 rupees equally in 3 pockets. I have kept 246 rupees equally in 3 pockets. How much do I have in each of my packet? So here 3 packets are there. 3 packets. Okay. 3 packets are there. Okay, so using, so what is the total money? So how much money, total money? 246 rupees. 246 rupees. Okay, so total how many? 3 packets. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ 3 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 246 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ 246 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ 3 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡೂ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 246 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. 246 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ 3 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. Okay, so Guruji, what is it here divided? What we can take and divided? I am already told. So total money that is divided. What is the total money here? 246 rupees. So how many packets are there? So 3. So that is called as divisor. Number of objects, that is called as divisor. Total money, it is dividend. So keep in mind. So name madbekiga. So dividend is there. So we can take to divide the number 246 by 3. So ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. ಈಗ 10 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 10 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 50 rupees. 10 chocolates ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. That cost is 50 rupees. What is the cost of one chocolate? That is, so we can using 50 divided by 10. So that cost is 5 rupees. Each chocolate is 5 rupees. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay. Now, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. So what is the total money? 246 rupees. And then 3 pockets are there. Totally 3 pockets are there. So let me divide the number. So we get the answer. Okay. ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮನಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮನಿ 246 rupees. How many packets? Number of packets. How many? 3. So now let me divide the number. 246 rupees divided by 3. We can use the long division method. 246. 3 divisor is 3. We should write the tables of 3. 3, 6. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 9. 3 4 the 12. 3 5 the 15. 3 6 the 18. 3 7 the 21. 3 8 the 24. 3 9 the 27. 3 10 the 30. 3 10 the 30. Now, so first compared to the first digit number, it is 2. It is compared to the small number. Divided is first number is smaller. Now take the 2 digit number. So what is the number? 2 digit number 24. 3 table 24 is there? Yes. How much is 24? 3 8 the 24. 3 8 the 24. Now subtract it. 0 0. Now taken to the 6. Now taken to the 6. So 3 how much the 6? 3 to the 6. So what is the money? Total money. So 246. How much each packet? How I have in each of my packet how much? 82 rupees. Hangare each packet alli estiತ್ತು 82 rupees. Okay. Now we can write it. Okay. Each pocket have 82 rupees. 82 rupees. So we can find out 82 plus 82 plus 82. So we can find out add 82 plus 82 plus 82. So what is answer? 6. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 4. 16 plus 8 846. Sorry, 246 rupees. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay, so one packet ಅಲ್ಲಿ 82 rupees ಇತ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 82 rupees ಇತ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 82 rupees. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 246 rupees. Okay, so I hope all of you understand the statement, some problems. Okay, remaining problems in 3 you have to write into HW. Okay, then here exercise 8G, divide and solve the following questions. So all the questions are divided. So I have solved statement sums 2 problems, and then exercise 8G some 2 problems I have to solve. Remaining questions you have to do in the HW work. Okay, today division of money you can understand. Okay, students, So we have to watch the video and improve our knowledge. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಾನೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.